Okay, so here I am in just the general page of this team that you and I share. So what I could do is click the meet now, and it's not going to show any video on my end because it's using the uh, running the screencaster. But in the middle of the toolbar, if I hit the share, it's going to engage the whiteboard. What it might do is it might cycle through. Oh, nope. There we go. So now I've got my pen and I can be drawing around in this, which is cool. Definitely not as much functionality. Functionality, is that a word? But what is cool is that from here I can still click open in app, and that whiteboard that I was just sharing is going to open up in the actual Microsoft Whiteboard program. And here we are. And so then all of the functionality of it is there now. The ink to shape. Yeah, ink to shape. I just didn't draw a very good square or anything like that. I can insert all sorts of stuff into the whiteboard. Now the great thing is because you were in that meeting with me, this is now an automatically shared whiteboard between the two of us. If we close Teams and we're done the meeting, if you open up your whiteboard, this whiteboard that we used during that meeting will be there. So pretty cool. I don't know if many high school teachers are using the whiteboard part of Teams, but it's there. And there's another one underneath the whiteboard when you click so if we go back to Teams and I can click stop presenting. If I was going to do, I don't know what this one is, Freehand by InVision. So I'm going to play around with that one and see kind of what that's all about. But there you go. That's how you can use the whiteboard in a meeting. Sandra and I played with this the other day. It worked really well, pretty seamless. We did notice, though, that you can only access this whiteboard feature during a meeting. If you're just having a regular video chat that you've initiated through the chat thread, the whiteboard integration does not show up, only in the meeting part. So hopefully you find that useful. And yeah, happy teaching. I don't know what to call it these days. Instructing from afar. There you go. Hope you're doing well.